Welcome, everyone is a SHARP Aquos C10, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove any screen lock if you have one set, so as you'll see I have a screen lock. And also if you have a Google account logged in like I did previously, I actually logged out. If you don't log out of the Google, you will have to confirm it at the setup process. So if you want, you could do it right now and you will have to confirm it with the pattern itself. That is assuming you can access the screen. So to get started, all you need to do is, assuming you can't get past this and you don't have a Google account, all you need to do is hold power key and select power off. Now while this is powering off, you will also need a cable that you use for charging. Plug it into your computer. I have one right here, as you will see. So once it's plugged into a computer, connect it to your device. You will see a logo of SHARP, and it will just give you a battery status in a moment. Once it shows battery status, we can then hold power key and volume up. Keep in mind that to get to the recovery mode, you need the cable. Without it, if you press volume up and power key, it does literally nothing, so it needs to be connected. So from here, power key, volume up. And once you see the SHARP logo, you can let go. Then you will see the Android with no command. So all you need to do is, while holding power key, tap a volume up. So hold and tap. And we're now in recovery mode. So the cable is not needed anymore. You can unplug it and set it onto the side, which I will do right now. And let me just put the device upright. And from here, we will use volume keys to navigate, like so. And you want to select wipe data factory reset, which is right here. And once selected, confirm it with power key. And once more, select yes, and confirm it with power key. And the process will begin removing all personal data. It takes just a moment. You will see data wipe complete, and you should be back in the main page with reboot system now being selected by default. So all you really need to do is press power key to, well, reboot the device. And the reset of the device will continue in the background, so the phone will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does. So just be patient, and once it's done, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And you can see that the process is now finished, so you can set up your device. I'll go through a fairly quick setup with skipping as much as I can, just to preserve on time. So and it's done. So if I were to lock the device now, there will be no more screen lock as well. As you can see, it just unlocks without any problem. And yeah, that is basically how you would perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.